Hey boo, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Netta. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the new Huda Beauty Naughty Nudes eyeshadow palette. Yes. Today we're going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty Naughty Nudes eyeshadow palette. I have not reviewed a eyeshadow palette product from Huda Beauty since my Mercury Retrograde video. And those of you who have seen that video know that I absolutely love that eyeshadow palette, okay? So I'm excited to jump into this one. I have played in it once before this look that I did here, which you're about to see, and I got thoughts because you guys, she cute. As per usual, when I review eyeshadow palettes, the base is already done, brows, foundation, all of that. I'll link everything that I use down in the description box. So coming over to the palette here, I really like this palette. I think the packaging it's nice, it's decent, although I was not gonna lie, a little bit disappointed in the packaging because I mean it just seems kind of, I mean it's cute, but it's not like the other palettes from Huda Beauty when she has her face and all over the packaging. Like the packaging just did not excite me the way the Mercury Retrograde palette is. So let me go grab the Mercury Retrograde palette so you guys can see what I mean. All right, so this is the Mercury, I'm sorry, the lighting, but this is the Mercury Retrograde palette. Like, you see how pretty it is? Like, it's just, when I look at this palette, I get excited, right, about playing in it because of the way the packaging is. It's so beautiful with her face there and the theme. And then you open it up, you know, this is what the packaging looks like. And that's why I was so excited to review this palette, because it was just so stunning, and then the color story is so unique. This isn't a review on this palette. I'm just saying this one in comparison to this one is like, okay, like the packaging is cute, but it just doesn't hype me up the way that the Mercury Retrograde palette did, or even the new Nudes palette did. So, and I don't know, it could be cost right now of everything due to the pandemic. That could be something that had to do with it. And then this is the palette right here. Now the palette itself, she cute. She is cute. I mean, I can't wait to create a look like this here. This is just something so different. Like, it's like these little pearl pieces in it, and then the marble cream textures. Like the color story is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. So the palette itself still, you know, like makes me excited. It's just the packaging that didn't really capture my attention. But let's go ahead and create a look. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do a holiday look with this palette, because this is the holiday season. By the way, I hope everybody had a really great Thanksgiving. My Thanksgiving was so awesome, and I just sat around the house. I cooked, you know, we had dessert, I had wine, we just like, it was just a chill eat day. But now I'm like really fasting because I ate so much, a little bit fuller, but that's okay. But that on top of the fact that I ate so much on Thanksgiving Day, I'm kind of ashamed of how much I ate, because I need to lose a few pounds. But So this look is going to be a holiday look. I figure kill 2 videos with 1 palette. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to create a really pretty holiday look with this palette. So I am going to go, and these names are really cute. So they're very naughty, which is why it's called a naughty nude palette. Okay, it is naughty. We got filthy, passion, shameless, please me, hypnotic, hard, Huda. Untamed, irresistible, flower power, rough, spicy, arouse, slippery, tantric, naughty, provocative, desired, and juicy. So a holiday glam look with this palette. Let's see what I can work. Let's see. I've got it. Okay. So for a transition shade, I'm going to go into the shade Juicy. So that is this shade here, Juicy. And I'm going to start blending that all over the lid. Ooh, that's pretty. Can you guys see it? That's really pretty. So I'm just gonna pat it down and then blend it all over the lid. She's juicy. Okay, so I'm not noticing a lot of fallout on this palette, and as so far it is blending very smoothly. Okay, and now just taking the same brush, I'm going to go into the shade Arouse, which is this nice warm brown shade. So this shade here, Arouse, and I'm gonna start blending that under Juicy. One thing I'll say, like, these shades, they do blend together nicely, but I am having to build it up quite a bit to get the payoff that you're seeing. So just FYI. But other than that, the formula is pretty good. It is doing its job as far as blendability goes and pigment, because at least it can show up. Which is nothing I wouldn't expect from Huda Beauty's palettes. I mean, her palettes are normally coming through with the pigment. I mean, the formula, the craftsmanship. Is this something you come to expect from Huda? Because, well, you know, she knows how to do a palette. And she tends to do her palettes very well. Over to this other fluffy brush. There's no product on it. I'm just going to use it to kind of blend out any harshness and really just sweep the colors together. Over to this Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to go into the shade Spicy. So it's this dark muted brown shade right there. Spicy. And I'm going to blend that into the outer V. Ooh. Oh yes, now that has some, well, you guys can see it, like that has some pigment. Okay. And I'm just gonna blend it into the crease to deepen it and to give some smoke to this look. Ooh, child, yeah, she's spicy, honey. Look at that. That is so nice. Over to this BX, the original brush I was using. I'm just going to go around that to blend out the harshness. And harsh line we have there. I like. Okay. And next I'm going to go into this shade here called Desire. So I'm picking up this flat, this is a flat shader eyeshadow brush, but really it's more like a concealer brush because it's just so flat. And this is from Profusion. I don't know if I ever told you guys that, but I'm just gonna dip into the shade Desire. Let's put that on the lid and see what she does. Okay, I don't like applying it with the brush. I'm just gonna apply it with my finger. Let's do it that way. Okay. That is so pretty. It's okay, so this is better applied with the finger. That is so pretty. This look is gorgeous, especially for the holidays, guys. This is so pretty. Yeah, I like this applied better with my fingers, and normally I do blend my shimmers with my fingers. So yeah, this is pretty. I want another shade. I want another shade. What do I want to put on top of this? You know what? Tantric. This golden shade here, Tantric. I'm gonna put that on top of Desire and see what that does. So I'm using this finger, and look how pigmented it is. And I'm gonna put it in the center. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. Ooh. Just tone this down a little bit because this one is a lot more, it was a lot more pigmented than on this side, but okay. That is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Up this brush and I'm going back into the shade Spicy, and I'm just going to blend Spicy into Tantric and just stamping it in a C shape to give it some more depth. Okay, so then coming to the lower lash line, I'm just picking up this flat brush and I'm going to blend Juicy. I'm mixing Juicy and Arouse together, and I'm going to blend that along the lower lash line. And going into the shade Spicy, I'm going to blend that on the outer V of the lower lash line. This Milani Waterproof Stay Put Matte Eyeliner. To add some eyeliner here. Taking this NYX Waterproof Black Eyeliner Pencil and gonna put that on the lower lash line. All right, so I'm just going to go off camera really quickly, clean up, do some lashes, and then I'll be right back. Guys, I am back and we've got lashes on, and this is just so pretty. Okay, so for lips, I'm using the Huda Beauty. This is the Power, which one is this? The Huda Beauty Metallic Lipstick in New Year's Eve. This came out so long ago, but I figured to bring this look together, since we're going for a holiday glam look, this one would be perfect. Yes, this was perfect. This is a perfect option. And I haven't really featured these a lot on my channel, so I didn't want to do that because these are really nice. I picked them up when they first came out and I haven't just worn them a lot, but they're perfect for a holiday season. And it goes, look at the color, it's just perfect with the eye look. So use this Sephora Pro palette. I love this palette. This one is in medium. Let's see, I don't use this a lot either. Shade First Class. It's a highlight. Holiday glam look using the new Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. So my thoughts on the palette: she's cute. I mean, this color story is just absolutely gorgeous. These shades here, the marbled cream shades, are so unique. I really like them. This is a little bit something different that I haven't seen in everyday eyeshadow palettes lately. And this one here, this one's like a glaze. I haven't played in that one. I think I want to play in this palette a little bit more, create a few more looks to see, you know, how else I feel about this palette. But for initial thoughts, I just feel like it's a really cute palette. Now, how much? I think this palette retails for $67. I'm not absolutely sure. Let me pull up my phone and see, because I did get this with the 20% off sale. Okay, so yes, this palette does retail for $67, but of course I got it during the Sephora holiday sale, so I ended up paying $53.60. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? I'm gonna put it like this: when I saw the initial packaging for this, like just like this, I was not in a rush to buy this palette. I was just kind of like, okay, Naughty Nude, you know, I was kind of like, oh, that's cute, but not enough for me to be like, I gotta hurry up and go buy it. And then of course, as you can see, I waited for the holiday sale to pick it up and get it at that 20% off. I mean, it's cute. It is cute. You know, when I look at the actual color story, it's really pretty, and I'm happy with my purchase. I'm very happy with my purchase. You know, I love it. I like the color story. I like the idea of it. Naughty, you know, because she's naughty. She could be naughty. But yeah, you know, I'm just like, for me, it was worth it. But then again, I waited for the sale. Is it worth the full $67? I mean, yeah, the craftsmanship is just like any other Huda Beauty palette. It's very well crafted. The formulas are gorgeous and they're unique, as I said, with the marbled shades, and then this slippery shade here, that glossy shade with the pearls in it, that's unique. I haven't seen anything like that. I do want to continue to play in this palette to see, you know, what else I think of it. So those are my thoughts on it, you guys. And this look is a fire. I'm feeling myself in this look. Like this look is it. This look is it, okay? And I do like the palette, so I would recommend it. I think, you know, you would enjoy it if you purchase it. Yeah, so those are my thoughts on this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't see the video where I reviewed the Mercury Retrograde Palette, I'll link it like here or here, like somewhere on the screen. I'll link that review because I really loved the Mercury Retrograde Palette, and I like this one too, just not as much as that one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you recreate this look. Tag me, #MakeupByNetta, so I can see it on you guys and share your work. I'll share your work, boo, on my Insta. So I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you in the next one.